Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Time, the podcast where learning English is fun, easy, and full of friendly conversations. I'm David, your English teacher and guide.
And I'm Grace, your English learning buddy. Hi, David.
Hi, Grace. How are you today?
I'm doing great. And also, I'm a little sleepy.
Sleepy? Oh, no. You need a cup of coffee.
Exactly. That's why today's topic is perfect. We're talking about coffee shops.
That's right. Today, we'll talk about what to say and how to order at a coffee shop in English, and how to make small talk like a native speaker.
Ooh, I love that. So today, we're not just learning English, we're learning coffee shop English.
Yes. So sit back, relax, maybe grab a cup of coffee, and let's start. Okay, Grace, imagine this. It's a sunny morning, and you walk into a coffee shop. What's the first thing you hear?
I hear soft music, people talking, maybe the sound of milk steaming.
Exactly. And the barista, the person who makes coffee, says, "Hi there, what can I get for you today?"
Ah, yes, that's the famous line. What can I get for you today?
Right. And what do you say, Grace?
I say, hi, I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Perfect. You can also say, "Can I have a latte, please?" Or, "I'll have a cappuccino, please."
Oh, I see. So I'd like, can I have, and I'll have all mean the same thing.
Yes, exactly. They're all polite ways to order something.
Okay, let me practice. I'd like an iced coffee, please.
Excellent pronunciation. You sound like a true coffee lover.
Thank you. But, David, what if I want to order something small? Like, I just want a small coffee.
You can say, "Can I get a small coffee, please?" Or, "A medium latte, please." Most coffee shops have 3 sizes: small, medium, and large.
Right. And sometimes they use fancy words like tall or grande.
Yes, especially at Starbucks. But don't worry. No matter which word you use, people will understand you.
Okay, David. So, what types of drinks can we order at a coffee shop?
Great question. Let's go over some common ones. Black coffee, just coffee, no milk or sugar. Latte, espresso with lots of milk. Cappuccino, espresso, milk, and foam. Americano, espresso with hot water. Mocha, coffee with chocolate and milk. Iced coffee, cold coffee with ice.
I like mocha because it has chocolate.
Yes, you and many others.
What about tea drinkers?
Good question. Coffee shops usually have tea too: green tea, black tea, or herbal tea.
Nice. And what if I want something to eat?
Then you can say, "Can I get a muffin, please?" Or, "I'd like a croissant."
Oh, I love croissants. They smell so good.
Yes, they're perfect with coffee.
So I can say, I'd like an iced latte and a croissant, please.
Perfect. That's a very natural sentence.
Yay! Thank you.
Now let's talk about paying. After you order, the barista might say, "That'll be $5.25.
And then I say, here you go.
Right. Or, "Here's $5. Or, "Can I pay by card?"
Oh, how do I ask if they take cards?
You can say, "Do you take credit cards?" Or, Can I pay by card?
Okay. And if I want to take my coffee away?
Then you can say, to go, please.
Ah, like 1 latte to go, please.
Exactly. If you want to stay in the shop, you can say, for here, please.
Got it. So to go means I take it with me, and for here means I drink it in the cafe.
Perfect. You're learning fast today, Grace.
Maybe because I really want that coffee.
Okay, so you have your coffee, you sit down, maybe you see a friend or the barista. What can you say?
Maybe, hi, how's your day going?
Excellent. That's a very friendly, natural question.
And they might say, pretty good, thanks. How about you?
Exactly. Then you can continue with something simple, like, the weather's nice today. Or, I love this place. The coffee smells so good.
So just small, friendly talk. Nothing too deep.
Yes, that's called small talk. Short, light conversation.
I see. And I can also say something like, this coffee is amazing. Or, I come here every morning.
Perfect examples. That's exactly how native speakers chat.
Okay, let's imagine this. I'm sitting at a table with my coffee. My friend walks in. What do I say?
You can say, hey, over here.
Right. And then maybe, hey, it's great to see you.
Perfect. Your friend might say, hi, how have you been?
Oh, that's a good one. How have you been means, how are you these days, right?
Exactly. It's a friendly way to ask about someone's life recently.
And I can answer, I've been good, just busy with work. Or, I'm doing great, thanks.
Yes. Then maybe you both go to the counter and your friend says, I'll buy you a coffee.
Aw, that's nice. And I say, thank you, that's so sweet.
Exactly. Friendly and polite. Let's talk about some common mistakes English learners make at coffee shops.
Oh, that's important.
Number 1, forgetting to say please or thank you. In English, it's polite to say both when ordering.
So always, I'd like a latte, please. And when you get it, thank you.
Perfect. Number 2, saying I want coffee. It's okay, but it sounds a bit direct. Instead, say, I'd like coffee, or can I have coffee, please?
Got it. I want sounds too strong sometimes.
Exactly. Number 3, not understanding for here or to go.
Yes, that used to confuse me. The first time I heard it, I said, yes?
Yes, many learners make that mistake. Just remember, for here means drink it in the cafe. To go means take it with you.
Easy.
Let's practice some pronunciation together.
Okay, let's go.
Repeat after me. Can I get a coffee, please?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Good. Notice we say it fast. Can I get a coffee, please?
Oh, get-a instead of get-a. That sounds more natural.
Yes, that's how native speakers connect words. Another one. I'd like an iced latte, please.
I'd like an iced latte, please.
Perfect. Smooth and polite. And finally, to go, please.
To go, please.
Excellent. You sound like a pro now, Grace.
Maybe I should work at a coffee shop.
Why not?
David, I have a question. Why do people in the US love coffee shops so much?
Good question. Coffee shops are more than just places to drink coffee. They're places to meet friends, study, read, or just relax.
Oh, like a small social place?
Exactly. People go there to take a break, use Wi-Fi, or enjoy a quiet moment. It's part of everyday life.
That's nice. In some countries, people stay for hours with one cup of coffee.
Yes, and that's totally normal. Some people even say a coffee shop is like a second living room.
I love that.
So, today we learned how to order at a coffee shop, how to pay, and how to make small talk in English.
Yes, we also practiced polite sentences and pronunciation and learned that to go means takeaway.
Exactly. Great job, Grace, and great job to everyone listening.
Thank you. Now I really want to go get a coffee.
Me too. Before we go, we have a question for our listeners. What is your favorite drink at a coffee shop?
Is it a latte, cappuccino, or maybe hot chocolate? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Talk Time. Give this episode a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love English and coffee.
Until next time, keep practicing your English.
And keep smiling, just like you do after your morning coffee.
Bye, everyone.
See you in the next episode.